issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Menard County, northwestern Sangamon County, southwestern Tazewell County, eastern Cass County, southeastern Mason County, northeastern Morgan County, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:28 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Kilbourne to near Alexander, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Expected hazards include golf ball-sized hail and 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Severe weather has been confirmed by train spotters. The following impacts are expected. People and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Kilbourne around 6:35 p.m. Greenview and Easton around 6:40 p.m. Other locations in the path of these severe thunderstorms include Mason City, Athens, San Jose, Sherman, and Williamsville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 55 between mile markers 95 and 105, Interstate 7 900.